Hello everybody. If your YouTube trending is not showing up on your Android device, in this video, we are providing you with a guide to fix this issue. So let's just dive right in directly and get started. So we can go to our settings of our device, and from there, you can scroll down, find the option for apps, applications, and tap on it. And within there, you may look out for the first top option in the bottom right corner once you find YouTube. So find YouTube from the given list, or you can search it up and tap on it. Now, once you've tapped on it, you can look out for the four stop option in the bottom right corner. Usually, you can tap on it and then confirm it up, click on OK. And then after you do so, you can also clear out the cache, go to storage for that, and look out for the clear cache. And then you may restart your phone. So once you do so, you can restart your phone, hold your power button, look out for the restart option, confirm it up. And after you do so, you can open up the YouTube application once again and see if that shows the latest trends available on your Android device. Also, access the quick settings panels and look out for the Wi-Fi that you're connected and ensure that you have a strong connection. And if you have used any VPN, make sure to disable those as location also affects the trending. So you can just go over and do so. And apart from that, you can open up the app itself. And once you open up the app, you may go to the explore page. Usually directly you can tap on the home page. Usually according to what you viewed, it should show you. You can just go over and look out for categories as well, for shorts, etc., subscriptions, etc., and check it out within your application. And that's it. Usually those are the method you can follow up to fix that issue. Let us know if it worked out for you. So we hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.